All right, let's finish the next tower. Welcome back. Yeah, it's time to work faster because you know the most of essential methods now, and we're gonna work faster. I can use the same base here as always, and is it in the same size? Yeah, it's a little bit smaller. That's it. Is it in the same height? Almost. I need planks. This is the ground. Look from the side. Duplicate, duplicate, duplicate. Did you see that? It's not looking clean. It means that we need to have a little bit pieces like this. Maybe a little bit more broken. And oh, there's a window here. Yeah, why not? Another cube. Look from front. I think I can work with isolate with Shift H. You can make it with Boolean. Come on. You can make same effect with Boolean actually, with, cutting the objects, but you can also do it like this. Now it's empty. Just align them with vertex snap. Snap with control. And now I'm gonna Boolean duplicate one and Boolean modifier, select object, viewport display to wire, and yeah, it's looking fine. Apply. Place it here. I need some window frames. Duplicate it. These are overlapping. I don't like this view here, and I can make it like this. One more copy. Okay, I'm gonna leave it like this and join them. Okay, and it's a little bit flying or not? Yeah. X-ray vision. And now that's fine. It looks like it ends here, but we have a little bit broken wood here. I think something like that. And we need a couple of steps here. I don't know why, but yeah, there are steps. And duplicate a couple of ones here. These are also a little bit broken. It's an old tower. I can drop a couple of woods here to make it a little bit poor. Look from top view and place these wood legs. I'm not aligning it because it's a poor tower. That's why is symmetrical and looking bad. So it's not a mistake. All right. I have no idea why there's the steps here. Okay. Yeah, that looks fine. And what else here? Nothing. So in this case, it's looking a little bit regular. Oh shit. We don't want to have regular and clean looking walls, so just play it a little bit. We need to distort it. That's our goal here. Yeah, that's fine. Now we can work on the next one. It has windows again, and it means that duplicate it and bounding box, rotate to 90 degree, but now we're gonna mirror in X global because the window is at the right side. And let's place it like this. We just forgot one couple of window frames. Yeah. Let's fill this area here. And now we have a little bit big piece here. Like this. And we have another one. Goes like this. Place it here. Let's repair that wood plank. And let's have another broken wood planks. These are lying down here. We have interesting shape here. It's like cross. So I can make it with a couple of wood planks and wood pieces. One here, one here. Do you want to make it cross? Yeah, why not? I'm gonna have a couple of ones and prepare them like this, and I think it's looking a little bit heavy. I didn't like that. Yeah, that's better and natural. Let's have this big wood planks here. It's gonna be thin, and you need to touch here. Another one. And the last one here. That's it. I think we can make a little bit interesting shape here. And let's play with this wood plank. Maybe it's a little bit stronger with extra wood plank here. Why not? It looks like a window, but of course I'm not gonna make it. And yeah, we have wood planks here, and now I can duplicate it for the back side. I need to isolate it again. By the way, you can join these pieces here. Shade auto smooth. I think we broke the normal map here. Yeah, I understood that because let me show it to you. Look at this. Now it's looking in the same and normal looking shadow here, but when I join them, just pay your attention. Okay, now I'm joining this. Did you see that? Whenever you see some shadow or light changing on the surface when you join this, just be sure about that the normal face orientations are broken like this. Now it means that it's inside. This is the inside again. It's, you know, upside down or inside or outside. This is the outside. That's correct with blue color. So don't forget that. Go to mesh, normal, recalculate outside. Now it's outside, okay? If you go inside the object, you're gonna see the red and my eyes shit. All right, we fixed it and we're good to go. Just turn off face orientation. Yeah. Everything looking fine. I can use this area for the other side. Control Shift right mouse and deselect that piece and mirror Y global. All right, that's fine. Also, I can use it here too. Let's make it a little bit wider. And yeah, now I feel like we need that piece here as well. of course, you need to check it here if it's touching or not. In my case, these are not touching or overlapping, which is a mistake. We can make it more broke, just like this. Go to inside here. Yeah, that's a fine tower, and there's no door. Did you realize that? Yeah, it's gonna be our secret, okay? Maybe there's a treasure inside and we don't want anyone go inside because it's our treasure. Let's say there are whole knowledge of Blender inside this tower and only my followers, subscribers can get inside in secret passage, and they learn everything and go outside in a secret passage. Okay, so can you keep a secret? Nice. By the way, I see that you are not liking the video. That's so sad. Yeah, I feel so sad, and I'm gonna cry all night because of that. I'm just kidding, but it will be great if you show your, your feelings. So if you like my videos, like it please, in literal, physical and real way. Did you see that? I joined this and it's upside down or inside, outside, and whatever. Go here, normals, recalculate outside. It looks fine. That's the way you detect any problem. Go from top view. You can just move them like this. One here. And one more here. In this stage, I'm not, focused on these overlapping areas, but if you insist to clean, we can just clean the overlap. Shit, I made same mistake again. I'm hiding something accidentally. So you can make it like non-overlapping way here without overlapping. That's obvious. That's what I'm saying. So yeah, I hit some more objects. All right, now. Yeah, I don't want to fix the overlapping objects here. Yeah, we have similar tower, so I can just use the similar one. As you can see, it's looking a little bit interesting. Let's check this orientation, and you saw that. Why? How I'm understanding that? Because look at this. It's obviously more shiny and more reflective than the others, and I know my materials here, it's not that reflective. That's why you can understand that there's a problem. Look at this. These are almost white and these are gray. That's how you can understand. Go to mesh, recalculate outside, and yeah, we fixed the problem. Align it X and Y. Let's make this one a little bit bigger. And if you don't want to make it like replicated, you can just play with the sizes and basic shapes. This one will be a little bit more smaller roof. I can feel that here. There's a balcony without roof. So why not? We can do it. And Yeah, that's it. You can also distort this area too. Actually, it's a game mode, but no, I'm not gonna make it like this because it means that if we have a ground like this, okay, so you can make it, it's more like low poly illustration actually, not game art, but you can make it like this, it feels so cool. I'm flying, press tab to walk, and now I'm so big for it. Yeah, I'm just walking here. Look at this. Doink, 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 doink. So you can just change the size of your, the character, your player actually. But I don't want to mess with it right now. So I just made it bigger. Now, yeah, it's like a game. We are walking here. And look at this. Doink, doink. So that's what I mean. You can make it something like this. I'm still walking, by the way. Hey, these are... Whoop. Whoop. These are so small towers. Hello. I feel like a giant here. All right, let's get rid of this. Yeah, this time. Oh, what a beautiful surprise is this. Look at this. The global is broken. Everything is broken. Is it same like this here? Yeah. So what you're gonna do, just check the item here. It's a little bit distorted and just confused actually. This object is, I feel confused. Control A, apply scale. No, just scale is not enough. So my suggestion is apply all transforms with Control A. And look at this now, because all of this data here is reset, and as you can see, everything is looking clean and like brand new object. And let's check it out. Make it a little bit squeezed here. And yeah, that's a little bit more interesting tower. Oh, it's actually done. That's cool. And I'm a little bit lazy for detail works, so I'm gonna link materials, and I don't need to see it like this. It's enough. And of course I can select all, Control A, apply scale. All right, you don't need to make it one by one. And cube project, which is this texture, it's texture set, just change it to here. Yeah, we have our texture set, cube projection, and where is my UV? That's here. All right, so just check the surface here to make it correct. That's it. And you can fix it here. Cube projection. Yeah, it's a little bit distorted. It doesn't matter. You can actually set it like this, and you can find UV squares add-on. It was free. The last time I checked, it was free, and you can just press it to grid by shape or the square grid, but I'm using this. So you can find UV squares, just Google it, okay? And Blender UV squares, you can find it. To grid by shape here, and now it's pure actually it's not square, but it's geometrical and perfect corners, and it's a rectangle actually. So that's it. And the next one, you're gonna see the same problem here. No, it's flat. All right, just rotate that. I'm trying to have different positions because I don't like repeating textures, and if you do it like this, you're gonna have so unique looking object. As you can see, the problem is here existing to group by shape. Look at this now. That's correct way. Okay, so just Google this add-on, and by the way, Control Shift right mouse, lasso, and deselect that. It's same here. Just place it here. Maybe now here. The next one. So I strongly recommend you to use this UV squares. Okay, you will need that in lots of works because you're gonna see similar problems all the time. You don't want to have distorted or not geometrical objects, and that's gonna be a problem. You don't need to fix it one by one. Actually, you can also cube project that. All right, and make it like this. Yeah, it's in the same size, and can select more if you have a shortcut for it. Right click, you can change shortcut, and now you can move them. It's a little bit faster. Okay, I found it faster, and look at this, it's repeating. Change it. Yeah, never ever don't make repeating objects like this. I'm hiding them. Select them, cube projection. Yeah, that's absolutely faster. If you are making your textures like this repeating, unfollow my channel. Okay, because you have this result here with the horrible repeating. I absolutely hate it. All right, it's the same situation here. I didn't join them yet, so I don't need to select more because I can select one by one, and just press tab and select all faces here and move it. Select all, move it. Select all, move it. Select. Oh, all right, you got that. You got that. Okay, I'm not gonna make it again. That's how you do it. Did you realize the problematic area here is, again, you can make it to grid shape, but you can see the problem here. So just select the problematic ones and you can grid by. Look at this, it's still not working. Did you see that? The problem here, you can try. No, it's a little bit, how can I say that? It's like inverted. So look at this now. I'm gonna make it slow. To grid by shape, and it's problematic, okay? I'm scaling down. Now it's the other side actually. To grid by shape, now it's working, okay? One more time. Do you see the arrow here? It's upside down. And now it's working. Yeah. It's a little bit trick, but so useful. That's also top secret trick, by the way. Don't tell it anybody. And yeah, I want to explain something. Of course, we have limited area for the woods, I know. So what can you do for making unique and not repeating? You can just rotate your your UV map, so it's gonna be a little bit more unique. And of course, after a point, you need to make a little bit repeating, but that's okay. So I can detect the repeating areas here, but it's too far together, so it's not a problem. It's not looking repeating, so don't worry about that. Cube projection. Yeah, don't make it one by one. Select all here, select this, and cube projection. Actually, there is a more faster way, but I'm not that plant guy. So as you remember, we duplicated it. If you want to work so more faster, just add textures to one side and duplicate that one, right? Is that smart? Yeah. And you know, I was just modeling. I didn't plan that. So you can either delete these guys and replace it, or you can just keep making it like this, but the next time you can work plant way. That's some advice that I couldn't make. Actually, I don't care. Guys, I don't like to be plant guy. Okay, I have a little bit low discipline when it comes to working. I think I have ADHD because, you know, I have all, you know, the symptoms, almost all. So I'm a little bit having struggles with focusing and keep working. I never couldn't a guy like working hard, you know. I wasn't a nerd or a smart guy at the school, but look at this. I have cool job than that nerd guys. Yeah, most of them are engineers or, you know, some high price high salary jobs they have all, but you know, my job is a little bit more cool. But I'm earning less. So which one you want to have? Cool job or more money? Make your choice. Anyway, I'm not a jealous guy actually. They can earn lots of money. I have no problem with that. But you know, I feel like all of my teachers were a little bit rude with me actually. How can you say that? They were rude because, you know, I was not good with math, and but now I'm so good with the math. That's interesting. So the fault was theirs. Yeah, look at this. And my grades were a little bit low. And but look at this. I graduated from fine arts, which you can't get in there with high scores only. You need to have skill. So That's the difference between the artists and the smart guys actually. We can't reach each other's positions. No way. That's so interesting actually. Yeah, I can't be an engineer or scientist, and a scientist can't be an artist like us, you know. You I think most of you are, you know, having lots of cool Blender projects, making renders. They can't do that actually. Can you believe that? That's so interesting. Yeah, I respect their jobs. I don't know if they are respecting us, but yeah, these are also so necessary. So we are the one who design their labs, you know, their interiors, their, you know, tools and gadgets they have, you know, all of that machines are made by a designer and engineers also. Yeah, that's interesting. We need all kind of people and workers. You know, we need truckers, we need designers, we need, you know, doctors. That's so interesting. I always find it interesting because in a natural way, everyone is, you know, making the necessary jobs somehow. Actually, it's not about smartness, you know, it's not about the IQ. Everyone is liking so wide range of jobs in natural way. So you can't work on a design without loving it. You can't be a doctor without loving it, right? If you don't like to see blood, you know, that's natural. It doesn't matter how smart you are. Yeah, do you agree? Hmm. Yeah, these are looking fine. Now, let's fix this. It's almost done, guys. If you want to spend your time with it, next time, make a plan and texture first. Look at this, I'm still making mistakes. It's actually a little bit fun task. You know, it's like stress relieving uh, activity. Cube projection. I mean that, for example, if you have a texture ready object and, you know, some piece, you can just duplicate it and place it to its place. And yeah, like this, for example. So it's gonna be better if you are prepared. Look at this mistake again. I see you. Apply scale, cube projection, and place it. So if you have the pieces like this, look at this. Are you kidding with me? So you can just duplicate it and place it to new area here, and you're gonna save your time, big time. You're gonna save your time in a big time. Yeah, I know there's a still work to do. Cube projection like this, make it bigger. That's how you do it. In this case of stairs makings, you may not like to work with, more small details, but I want to make it little bit more realistic. So these steps can't fly like this, right? You need to connect all pieces somehow. In this case, I can make a plank here and we can use screws. Now it's more realistic. That's what I mean. All right. So always be careful about this kind of stuff. So when it comes to presented to viewers, they can say that, it's this piece are flying. Okay. These pieces are flying. It's not realistic. Yeah, that's fine. And let's check it out. Everything is fine except this concrete. Let's change it like wood. Yeah. So I need to make a little bit extra work. I mean that I'm gonna select this loop here with Alt, Shift, and left mouse. And after that, we're gonna make it bigger because I need that so much bigger. And I'm trying to match these black lines. Okay, that's better. Now it's looking more high quality. Okay, and of course we need to choose this and rotate it a little bit bigger, and the downside, make it bigger, and yeah, that's it. And what else? These are the last one. Cube projection. The first thing I'm gonna focus that these vertical pieces here, just bring them close and inside the wood. Separate them because these are overlapping and repeating the texture. It's still repeating. Did you see that? Lots of repeating objects. And after that, it needs to be like this. Yeah, that's the correct position. Now, okay. And bring them here. So I can select them, make them fit inside. And that's it. It's completely wooden tower. Oh, we forgot that. Link materials, apply scale, cube projection, and Yeah, look at this. Now we have a small problem here, which is I want to have this area high quality, but UV mapping made it wrong. Okay, so I'm just fixing it myself like this, and this one. That's one is interestingly correct. I don't know why. Cube projection. Check the quality. It can be a little bit bigger. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. And let's make them fit more. And that's it. Here we are. This is a cool looking wooden tower. So there's no problem to change the roof. You can have it like this. Also, you can, we can make it a little bit dynamic. So the way to do that, you can change it to this metal here. Maybe they are working on something. Okay, so there are some metal plates around, and you can also, for example, you can change it to metal as well. Okay, so these are small, alternative methods. Okay, if you want to go alternative ways, there are lots of methods to apply. Okay, so we have no time for that. I can show tons of ways to you, but I think you got it, and you can use your own imagination, and you can make so cool designs. But for now, let's bring it back because it's completely wooden tower. Okay. Oh, what are you doing there? Yeah, that was it for this tower. We made it and it's looking so fine. Also, for the final step, if you want to have it a little bit more detailed, but you don't want to have remake it, I have some trick for you. Shift H, and we have already edge loop here. Look at this lock. It's it's almost in the correct slicing positions. Okay, now it means that, but of course I'm just kidding because we separated it before. Did you remember? Yeah, if you want to make it in a little bit different way, you can just play with the textures here. Okay, I mean that you can just push, pull, maybe a little bit like this, a little bit down, a little bit up, and did you get it? That's what I'm talking about. And yeah, at the end, it's gonna look a little bit different and a little bit more natural, but it's up to you. Okay, so in my case, I don't want that, but I just wanted to explain it to you. All right, that's it. That was the final trick for this episode here, and thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like. I'm gonna say it all the time because in the analytics I see that so few people are liking it, and if you like it, just press like and show me your support. Okay, I'm a small channel and I'm always feeling a little bit confused because I can make all of these tutorials as time lapse or funny edits, but I know that you like full length and no cut version of the tutorials, but that's a little bit the hard way because I'm just talking with you, I'm explaining everything for 1 hour for every day, and I think I just need your support with your likes. If you are not a subscriber, you can just subscribe and you can join my Discord and ask your questions. I'm always online except while I'm sleeping. And yeah, that's it. I need your support actually, okay? Anyway, take care of yourself and see you on the next episode and bye bye.